Today, I decided to treat myself to a delicious tapioca pearl blueberry shake. It was pure bliss. But then, a curious thought struck me: what if I took a closer look at the remaining tapioca pearls under a microscope? Without hesitation, I fetched my microscope, carefully poured a handful of pearls onto the stage, and illuminated the lens. And what I discovered beneath the lens? Well, you'll just have to stick around to find out. Let's take a look at it. Under the microscope, we observe tapioca pearls, tiny spheres with immense potential. Beyond their use in bubble tea, tapioca pearls bring a delightful chewiness to various dishes. Their versatility extends to desserts, soups, and even savory dishes. With tapioca pearls, creativity knows no bounds in the kitchen. So, whether you're exploring new culinary adventures or adding a twist to traditional recipes, remember the tiny tapioca pearls. They are the delightful surprise waiting to elevate your dishes to new heights.